The leafy sea dragon, a close relative of the seahorse and pipefish, is a master of disguise and one of the most unique creatures in the ocean. Found only in the temperate waters off the southern and western coasts of Australia, its fragile beauty hides some truly amazing facts. A master of camouflage, a living drifter. The most striking feature of the leafy sea dragon is its elaborate leaf-like appendages that cover its body. These frilly plant-like growths are not for propulsion, they are for camouflage, allowing the sea dragon to blend in perfectly with floating seaweed and kelp in its habitat, swaying with the current. To complete the illusion, the leafy sea dragon drifts with the ocean currents, swaying back and forth just like the plants around it. Its two nearly transparent fins, one on its neck and one near its tail, are so small and delicate that they are almost invisible, enhancing the illusion of a piece of drifting kelp. A unique reproductive process. The male carries the eggs. Like seahorses, the male leafy sea dragon is the one who gets pregnant. The female deposits up to 250 bright pink eggs onto a specialized brood patch on the underside of the male's tail. A bumpy ride. Unlike a seahorse's pouch, the sea dragon's brood patch is a spongy, cup-like area where each egg is attached. The male carries and protects these eggs for about 4 to 6 weeks until they hatch, independent from birth. Once the eggs hatch, the tiny miniature sea dragons, each only about 20 millimeter long, are completely independent. They must fend for themselves from the moment they emerge, feeding on zooplankton and other small organisms. An inefficient yet effective hunter. No teeth, no stomach. Leafy sea dragons are predators, but they have no teeth or stomach. Instead, they use their long, pipe-like snout to suck up their prey, which consists of tiny mesmerizing shrimp and other small crustaceans. A suction feast. They wait perfectly still, camouflaged, until an unsuspecting prey gets close. Then, with a sudden vacuum-like motion, they slurp up their meal whole. They must feed constantly to get enough nutrients, fragile yet armored. A bony exoskeleton. Despite their delicate and fragile appearance, leafy sea dragons are not as vulnerable as they look. Their scaleless body is covered in a series of hard, bony plates that act as a form of armor, protecting them from potential predators. No predators. The combination of their exceptional camouflage, bony plates, and sharp spines on their dorsal side means that adult leafy sea dragons have virtually no natural predators. Their biggest threat comes from habitat destruction, pollution, and illegal poaching. A living emblem, official state marine emblem. The leafy sea dragon is so unique and beloved that it has been designated as the official state marine emblem of South Australia. This recognition highlights its importance to the region's marine environment and its status as a symbol of Australian biodiversity, mobility, and lifespan. Extremely slow movers. While their camouflage is their primary defense, leafy sea dragons are incredibly slow swimmers. They propel themselves using two very small, nearly transparent fins, one on the neck and one on the back. They can be so slow they have been clocked moving at speeds of only about 490 feet per hour. A short but precious life. The lifespan of a leafy sea dragon is not fully known in the wild, but in captivity, they can live for up to 5 to 7 years. The courtship dance is an elaborate ritual. Mating is a truly special event for these solitary animals. Before the female transfers her eggs, the male and female engage in an elaborate courtship dance. They mirror each other's movements, curling their tails away from each other and moving up and down in the water. This dance is essential for the successful transfer of the eggs to the male's brood patch. 2 broods per season. A male leafy sea dragon can have 2 broods of young in a single breeding season. After the first brood hatches, the male's brood patch can recover and prepare to receive another batch of eggs from a female. Color-changing abilities. Adjusting to the environment. Like chameleons, leafy sea dragons can change their color to better match their surroundings. This ability is crucial for their survival, allowing them to remain hidden among a variety of seaweed and kelp types. Factors like diet, stress, and location can all influence their coloration. For example, those in deeper water may be a darker brown or burgundy, while those in shallower waters are a more yellowish brown or green. A conservation success story, sort of. Protected species. Due to their popularity in the aquarium trade and the fragility of their habitat, leafy sea dragons were once under significant threat. In 1999, the Australian government gave them full protection, making it illegal to collect them from the wild. Difficulties in captivity. While conservation efforts and captive breeding programs are making progress, it is still very difficult to breed and raise leafy sea dragons in captivity, making their preservation in the wild all the more critical. In a world of fast-paced predators and intense competition, the leafy sea dragon stands apart. It's a creature that has mastered the art of patience and disguise, transforming itself into a living extension of its home. From the breathtaking illusion of its leaf-like body to the surprising role of the male as the nurturing parent, the leafy sea dragon is a testament to the endless creativity of evolution. It reminds us that some of the most beautiful and complex wonders on Earth are also some of the most fragile. As we strive to protect our oceans, the leafy sea dragon serves as a powerful symbol of what we stand to lose and what we must fight to preserve. Thank you for exploring this magnificent creature with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing journeys into the natural world.